Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am standing in our doorway because we're doing a apartment tour slash where the fuck we are. So, clip one, because I'm gonna make this into
Clip two. Just ignore how we are. This is our living situation. We're like literally laying on the floor. But here's our kitchen. Also, please excuse the mess. We just moved in today. So we have the stove. We have our hot piece in here because no fucking microwave. I guess this is where it's supposed to go when we get it. And then I already did start organizing. So we have snacks, like candy up there, snack rack, bacon supplies, and then food. But we gotta wait. But for right now, I made this like the lunchbox corner. And then this is gonna be our cleaning supply corner slash recyclables. So this is all I have right now. Like I just have an ice, a bowl, and then ice packs for lunch. And then this is how we're living. Off of fucking drinks. Yo. Oh yeah, and then we have 2 bottles of ranch. Turn around, we have our like little kitchen corner. I did get us muffins the other day. We definitely need to eat these because the 30th is approaching. We just ordered pizza from this place. Here's our kitchen. The soap I bought. And then I guess this is gonna be our knick-knack corner so we don't lose shit. And then I fill out that paperwork. I got a dishwasher, y'all, and I'm happy. And then this is gonna be our trash can area. Those lights turn on, and then for now, I do have cups here. And then did I put anything in here? No, but then I did just put plates and silverware here for now until we get everything. Like, there's only been day 1 of moving in. I think I'm gonna try to do like a hair corner here. We'll see. And then let's see if I can open. Okay. We definitely need to fix these doors, but this is gonna be the mannequin closet slash the extra suitcases, the mini and the big. We're making this the garbage bag. I threw my backpack and a shopping bag in here on top of a suitcase duffel bag. Whew. I'm glad we get AC and a ceiling fan because you know me. I get hot and I like the fan and I like AC. I guess you're gonna be in a video like this, babe, but like this is like the best like living room size for 2 people. It's perfect. If you come into this direction, please ignore the mess. I'm still organizing and cleaning the apartment. So, oh my god, I'm not showing the toilet. So I just did my shower stuff and his. And then when it's the time of the month, I just walk down there. This nice mirror. Oh shit. I like saw that right in the room because our room's right behind the bathroom. So we have 2 mirrors in here. I'm starting a perfume corner, and then I already filled this with like medicine, deodorant, creams, and I gotta clean my hairbrush, so don't yell at me. I gotta still empty that bag. So this is our bedroom curtain. We're gonna try and make this a shower curtain. Wish us luck. So I'm gonna have to close the bathroom door to finish filming it here. So we have our towel space. I have my hair tools here. And then a bunch of shampoos, conditioners, hairsprays, dry shampoo, and then facial cleanser, shaving stuff. That's the teeth bag. I gotta empty that still. Hair gel, shaving gel, Listerine, cough drops, hairbrush. I think that's a part of my kit. But all down here is my makeup. I'm gonna close this one. Oh my god, that one closes perfectly. Okay. Off to the bedroom. Yeah, you're gonna see a head. Okay, and then, oh wait, you know, I'm gonna light in here. Because, of course, no fucking light. But this is the closet. So I threw hoodies there, and then it's basically all his stuff. And then his corner. And then my stuff in the middle. And then I have stuff here. And then my shoe corner. This became our hamper now. And then I think, yeah, I still have bags over here to unload. The backpack's empty. My lamp. Shit. You know what's on the floor? Shit. I have my suitcase here with another purse I need to go through. Our window. And then I have my laptops in the corner, my teddy bear, and then pillow sheets. And I'm gonna go back and flip the camera. So that's the whole apartment tour, guys. If you do like this type of video, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, give me ideas of how I should decorate my first apartment. Okay, bye guys.